Good morning again, students. We are again back to you with a new resource session from our beloved student, Mr. Karthik. Karthik is from 7th semester mechanical engineering. Probably the first session from mechanical engineering resource student you are going to have uh, in VCT Connect. I am happy to introduce Karthik to you all. When I call the name Karthik, uh, it comes to my mind Karthik as a team lead. Team lead. Okay, he's known to work at all the capacities in a team as a member or as a leader. And Karthik is very much enthusiastic, participating in all the different kinds of activities which happens at the institute level. For that matter, it may be academics, it may be the classes, sessions, resource sessions, FDPs, internships, or sports, the projects. He's there everywhere where more of skill oriented sessions run in the institution. Today, also, he'll be presenting you a colorful presentation, and the title would go with the variety of concepts or events that happen across VCT over an academic year tenure. Apart from all this, Karthik is having a very special interest, that is his very love for his mother tongue. Uh, Basically, having a very touch with the Malayalam, that is to Kerala state, he also have a inclination towards the language, the regional language that is Tulu, where he works as a secretary for Jai Tulunadu Association. He have much love for learning the scripts of Tulu, where he knows how to write it as well. It's not just about speaking and uplifting the same. Karthik also works as an ABVP leader for our institution, where he have conducted various sessions from that happen through Akhil Bharat Vidyarthi Parishad. So here we have a multi-talented, very dynamic resource student who is going to present across many information that happen across VCT. Karthik, I am handing over the session to you. I think you can continue, Karthik. Over to you. Have a good time, students. Have a good day, Karthik.
Thanks a lot, ma'am, for the wonderful introduction. Am I audible,
My
right?
pleasure. Please continue. Yes, please proceed, Karthik.
Okay, just sharing the screen. My slide is visible, right?
Yes, Karthik. It's
Yes,
visible
yes,
here.
visible.
Students and also you take an input.
Okay, okay. Is it visible to all, right?
Yes,
Yes.
yes,
Okay.
Yes.
yes.
Hello, everyone. Good morning to all.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Okay.
Good morning. Good morning.
Hope you are all doing well, right?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Before beginning the session, I would like to thank VCT Connect 2021 coordinators and also our principal, lecturers, HODs, and my dear friends for giving me such a wonderful opportunity to take session with you all. And you are all come up with many sessions like startups, web designing, placement trainings, internships, sports activities, and so on. Right, friends?
Yes.
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 Okay. Today, I am also came up with a relevant topic that is industrial visit, mini projects, and our college VCT portal, some of the portals, social media accounts, and also our Onam celebration of this year. So, without a further delay, we will go through with the upcoming slides. Just changing the slide once more. It's changing, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
These are the contents we are going to discuss. Industrial visit, mini projects, some of the VCT web portals, our college social media accounts, Onam celebrations. If the time permits, let's see AICT activity report. Okay. And also, if you see here in industrial visit and mini project, I touch up with mechanical aspects, but you need not to worry. I will give some tips or points that will be helpful for taking you the upcoming days for these type of events, these type of activities also. So let's begin with the first topic. That's industrial visit. What are all the things, if you come across, if you heard the word that is industrial visit, can anyone will brief it out?
Visiting and mechanic workshops.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, absolutely. Like industrial visit, you not need to think like that. It's like a picnic, okay? Industrial visits are like study tours. We are going to explore, or we are going to know the knowledges, application level knowledges in the industry fields. What are all the activities? What are all the projects are going to happen in industries? And also, we are going to take up with the uh, advices or the instructions from the industrial experts also. And also we are going to see some of the mechanisms, some of the machineries, so that it will be helpful for our to get the practical knowledge and all. So once we are entered in the branch, it's in third semester. Before that, we are in the first year we are in physics and chemistry cycle. In the first year also, we you are all having some of the picnics, study tours, and lots of activities. We have you have to use that type of opportunity also. And also, we, we are entering to our branch. There will be some activities which is relevant to our branches and all. So industrial visit is one of it. In the At the end of the third semester, we had one concept that we have to visit some of the industries to gain some application level knowledges. So in the beginning of the fourth year, we said these things to our HODs and faculties, so that they arranged some of the companies. The first thing you have to take in mind that if you are visiting a industries means you have to be planned before that, before 2 weeks or 1 week before, because you have to get the permission from the industries. After that, we'll going to visit the industry. So for that procedure, you have to be make such a arrangement to get the permission. Okay. So after that, our senior students, parents, and also some of the old seniors also, they're working in some of the industries, so that we got the permission in three companies, that is PacMac Engineers Private Limited, then one training institute, that is GTTC, and the third one is MCF. So we are going to see briefly about it. The PacMac Engineers Private Limited is one of the manufacturing company. Uh, if you are seeing here means my mouse pointer is visible, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
If you see here, it is our teammates who are come up with our industrial visit. For I am here highlighting our team work also. Before conducting the internship, industrial visits, we made such a team that some of them will look through the transport sector, means arranging bus facilities. Some of them took in charge of arranging food facilities. Then some of them took in charge of collecting some money. So we ourselves made the such arrangement so that it will be no burden to our lectures. So and also we'll make ourselves to get the teamwork spirit also. So coming to the point, here the PACMEC engineers are the manufacturing companies. Here they are dealing with many types of manufacturing events. Like if you see in the fourth slide, it is a lathe machine. Here the lathe operations are going on. The instructor is instructing us what are the things are going to be done, what are the things are going to happen in the PACMAC industries. And also they got at a time they had one project. So just I have one video, I will just play that one. Video is playing, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
If you see here the what is that project they, they have here
Hello, Karthik. Hello, Karthik.
uh,
Video is playing, but your voice is not clear.
okay, this will be the first stage
The video
of
was
their
playing.
project. Okay, voice is not audible, right?
Voice was not audible.
Yes.
Video was playing.
Okay. If you seen this video, I will explain. Here the tin bottle is filled with some of the liquids, means oil products and all. This is their first stage of the project. Then if you see in the next slide, here you have to say what will be its mechanism. Okay, I'll just play it once. You have to say what will its function. Anyone? What it is going to do?
Close the lid.
Yes, exactly. Here, if you see, after filling the liquid, the here the lid is going to be attached to. After placing the lid, the third step is labeling the tin bottles. This also done in the same manufacturing PACMAC. See here the labeling process. Once I will play here the labeling process. Okay, this is the things we got to know from PACMAC Industries. Here they were trained us how the manufacturing going to work, and also they are going to take some of the design aspects so that they are going to design that material. Then moving to the second company, it is not like a company, it is a training center. It is known as GTTC, that is Government Tool Room and Training Center. It's like our institution. Here the student are supposed to be trained with the industry experts. There will be some stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3. In the stage 1, the students are trained with manual process like finding the material, cutting the materials by manual, some of the small instruments. After they getting specialists from the stage 1, they are moving to stage 2. That is here, if you see in the slide, in the third picture, here the milling operation and the lathe operation are also taken in the second step. After they trained thoroughly with the first stage, they are going to enter into the second stage. And also here we will see the principal or the senior trainer. He is addressing us what are all the trainings are going to happen in the GTTC, and also some of the internships they are providing us. That's also he explained very briefly, and also he also told some of the what are all the projects they are getting, how the student is going to train from the trainers, and also they have offered us with the training also about 15 days to 30 days. We have to work in their institution. They will give some projects at the end of the uh, internship. We have to be done with that one. So unfortunately, because of the pandemic, the schedule was changed, the training was changed, and also the internship opportunity also we lost. So we gone through with some of the online internships likewise. So here we missed one good opportunity also. But you can see further. Okay, they will be always there to open you all the things. If you see in the next slide, here the clearly visible. This is the first part where the stage 1 is going to happen. All the students are in the primary stage. Then they are moving to the second aspect, that is some of the using CNC machines, milling machines and all. Later in the third stage, after expert in the two stages, they are moving to the CNC machines. CNC means computer numerical controlled machines. Here the coding part to be done, so that the works will be easy. But you have to be expert in the stage 1 and stage 2. After that, you will qualify to take on with the stage 3. So this is one. This is a trainer. He is going to be explaining how the process is going on. If you see this machinery, it is a grinding machine. Okay, here the polishing of the material, grinding, etc. is going to be taken place. If you see in the third picture, it is about MCF. Um, you are all heard about MCF, right? Mangalore Chemical Fertilizers Private Limited. It is it is a chemical fertilizer manufacturing unit industry. Uh, if you know, in MCF, we are not permitted to take photographies inside the industries. So there is no much photographies about MCF. But unfortunately, we also lost the opportunity to visit all the machinery parts or the all the stages in the MCF, because there will some business period. Okay, you have to be get to know about it. There will be some business period. At that time, they are stopping the manufacturing process, and other things are going to be happen, like what are the profit have done, all the calculations, what are the means sales have happened. At that time, the no manufacturings will be taken place, and also the cleaning process will be going on, so that at that time we will not permitted to visit the places. So we had the lecturing session in MCF about their company, what are all the things happened in that MCF. Likewise, so this was our industrial visit. It was taken up in fourth semester. And also I would like to say some of the points that you have to make a team such a way that you have to get a permission from the company, and also you have to be totally distributed with the works with your teammates so that the industrial visit will be a successful event. And also you have to maintain some discipline inside the industries also. And also you are supposed to be asked any type of questions, and they will going to be give answers in such a way that you will get to know, or you have to be clarified with all the doubts and all. So hope you are fine with the industrial visit topic, right? Hello.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
If anything you
Yes.
would like to ask
Yes.
about industrial visit topic. Okay. Otherwise, I will show here one report. Okay. After completing industrial visit, you are supposed to be submit one report. I will show the format. It will be helpful for you also. I hope it is visible, right?
Yes.
Okay. There is no some such a strict rules that the format should be like this in the industrial visit report. So we have to be specifically with a standard format. If you see here, the first pages, it is the first page. The industrial visit topic will be there. What are the industries you have visited, on which day, then the details of the visit, who are the in charge of the team, and then the purpose, why should we visit industries, like that. It will be the first page. Then afterward you have to be ready with the company profiles. Which are the company you have visited, you have to be briefly tell about the company, mention about the company and all. You have to place some of the pictures taken in that company or the training center. Then all the three companies we are included here. Then before the last concluding, we have to say what we have learned from the these things, and also the conclusions. Then timings are to be mentioned here. The report why we are submitting, because it will be a documentation for all the events. Okay. So if extra photos are there, you can place it in the last pages and all. Then you have to take the whoever came with the industrial visit, their contact details, signatures. That will be a compactable and very nice industrial visit report will be submitted to HOD. Okay, I think you are clear with the report and all. I will move to the next topic. Okay. Okay, the second topic was mini project. Have you come across with any type of mini project, or the term mini project? Anyone?
Science model.
What do you think about mini project? Okay, no issues. I'm audible, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, okay. Okay, I will brief out about a mini project. Mini project is a applying our knowledge to a smaller level project. Actually, we are doing a major project in the final year. Before entering final year, we should be capable of doing some small projects, small level projects. So, if I talk about the mechanical field, we have to be manufactured with some of the small models or with low invest. There will be no much invest on that. It will be a more less invest, but study should be, or the designing parameter should be in a good manner. In the other field, I think in the IoT levels, there will be many project you can conduct, like Arduino controlled, voice controlled car, then path detectors, then obstructor avoiding. Such a wonderful projects are there in the IoT field and all. If you design a web design also, it is also like a mini project. Okay. If I talk about these topics, it is the 11 topics which we are taken in our 11 teams in our class. There are 11 teams, they're taken with 11 different topics. The topics is such a way that the topic should be like design and study, so that you will apply the knowledge what you have and what are the concept you come across. You are going to apply these things in the mini project. So uh, this is the first topic was topic done by my team, design and study of multi-rotor drone. Then these are the different topics. If you see here, durability and endurance, this concept is uh, concentrated. Design and study of the some component, design of, and IoT level project also included. Varieties of topics are included here. Threat analysis, some of the noise control technologies, every aspects we covered in the 11 different topics and all. If you think we have to be think with the topic, or the faculty will give us the topics in that manner. First you have to think yourselves. If you have any such an idea, I have to do something about this project, I have these ideas and all, you have to be capable of doing that project. Otherwise definitely your lecture will help us to give us your give us a topic and also brief it about the contents also. Then there will be one uh, team leader, and there will be some restriction in the teammates also, 4 to 5 members. Then there will be a lecture will coordinate you. Okay. Just I will show the mini project report and all, then it will be clear for you. If you see the mini project reports, there is lots of reports. We have to supposed to be present one PPT also about the report. And if I show one of the report of mine itself, see, it has some standard pages. This should be a standard format and all. You have to be maintain these kinds of things. If you then in the first page, it should be in the same format itself. There should be university name, its logo, then the project name, who are all be there in the team, and the guidance under who is your guide, and logos of our college branches and all. Then there will be a certificate page. uh, then after that there will be on declaration page. After the declaration you have to be uh, do one page of abstract, then one acknowledgement page. These, see, 5 pages should be common to all. This should be maintained in the project at the beginning. Then the table of contents will come across. Then the topics going to be covered, the introduction and some of the description about the parts and all these kinds of things to be included here. If you see in the other reports also, the first page will be in the same format. Then they are going to include their according to their topic, they are going to be list down the details also. Likewise, here we are attached. Our topic was design and study of drone model. So we posted our designs of drone models. Then If you talk about the study related things, we are studied in different parameters. If you apply load on it, what will be going to happen? Then different types of copters, three motor, four motor copters, likewise. These are all the study related things. Then analysis also done. What will be stress analysis, strain analysis? These things we are added here. So likewise, we are doing the report and all. Then the last page we have to include the personal profile also. This should be the standard format of the mini project. Then if you come across with the mini project, you will going to learn lots of things. Okay, uh, there will be some guidance will be provided with your department, so that you have to be go through the same guidance also. They will be informed you. Otherwise you are having some difficulty in making the reports, or get to know about more things about the projects and all. We are seniors always there to help you all. We will also guide you with our reports also. And also if you search in the Google also, lots of informations regarding projects will you going to get. And also using the YouTube also, you are going to get the lots of informations. I'm not supposed to say that you have to be same copy paste the things. You have to be take some particular things or the main important points from that. Then you have to make your own slides and your own project reports, likewise. So here also the teamwork will be taken place. If the teamwork is very nice, means the project also will be very nice. So let's move on to the some of the VCT portals. Why I included the VCT portals, because if you see, if I enter into a company, I have to be well known with the what are things to be done in the company, their portals, what are the works is going to be happen. Likewise, if you enter to a institution, we have to be known with the some of the base portals, some of the social media accounts of the institution, so that we are also be capable of following the things what are going to happen in the college also in through social medias. So I will show the first slide. It is our official VCET website. Okay, if time permits, just I will go through with the websites in the Google itself. If not, you will be you take down with the link. Okay, it is the link should be for our official website. Okay, just a minute. This will be the official website link, vctputtur.ac.in. Recently, many things are updated in our official website, like placement, faculties, some of the photographies. Many things are updated here, so that you will get the clear cut image of our institution, so that you can also connect your friends with the institution, and also you can share the informations also. So the second portal is VCT cells. It is developed from our own faculty member also, from EC department. So if you see here, means here there will be many slides in student info system. The all the information of the student will be stored here. If you want to know what are the marks in the first semester, second semester, likewise, you just go through with this slide, so that you are going to know about the marks, your information, etc. If you see in the academic evaluation and monitoring cell, here the feedback is stored here. After writing your interns, you are going to be uh, make one feedback. So the feedback entries are going to happen in this field. So I am here explaining only few things. Okay, in the placement icon, here the placement information will be going to get what all the companies are going to visit in our company, in our college, and also our total aggregate. If I am capable, everything will be available in the placement cell icon. Here, if you see here, the link will be given. This will be the link cells.vctputtur.ac.in. For all of for this one, you have to be get with the your USN. Okay, after you are getting the USN, you are supposed to be log into the website in the cells and all. If you see near, the third one is the mails.vct. Here the mail is going to be get through office mail. Okay, here the placement department, some of the mails going to be sent, and also some of the information will be get through the mail.vct. And also, if you see here, uh, here there will be a name called files. In the files, you are going to get all the information. It's like a digital library. Okay, all the contents you are going to get, like some of the old project reports, and also some of the model question papers. Everything will be going to get in these files. Okay, in the uh, mail page, you are going to get some of the mails from placement department, and also company details, what all the companies are going to visit and all. Everything will be available in the mails.vct. So it's like a digital library. Everything will be available here itself. Some of the sample you have to go through with some of the mini project reports. Everything will be available here. Uh, it's going to update. Okay, if you see some recent question paper will not be available, it will be updated soon, so that it will be available. Here the link also provided, mail.vctputtur.ac.in. And also one thing you have to remember here means, after getting your USN, that will be your username, then the password will be the same, so that you can enter to the mails.vct. Okay, then if you see, the next one is the VCT Moodle. In Moodle, in a sense, here the your courses is going to be listed. In that, the courses, all the materials, some of the notes are going to be posted here. As you know, when the recently that when we introduced the Microsoft Teams, all the features are available in the Teams itself. So notes, recordings, everything will be stored in the Teams, so that this time many of not enter to the Moodles. And the beginning, we are using the Moodles uh, in a good manner, so that here, if you see here, if you click on to my courses, here also one thing you have to remember, after getting your USN, the password will be the same. After your logging, the first they will ask to change the password. You have to set the password, so that it will be remembered for you. After logging in the second time, you are going to be logging with the same username and the newly created password. Okay, here if you see the getting to the my courses, here the courses will be available. In the courses, the materials also going to be provided. So it is easily available through the portals. So the link is provided here, moodle.vcetputtur.ac.in. This will be the link. Just take down links and portals, so that it will be helpful for your upcoming days. Okay, now let's move on to the social media accounts of our institution. This will be the Facebook account. Okay, if you are using Facebook, just follow the pages, and also this will be the our college private group in the second page. The all the updates, all the posters, everything will be posted in the social media in the time to time. It will be updated. Okay, in the all the social media accounts, everything will be posted. What are the events going to happen, what are the placement things going to happen, everything will be posted in the social media account. The first one is the page link, Facebook like page link. The second one is the it's one private group, so that you can here you can post anything related to college and all. So just follow and like the pages in the Facebook also. If you move towards the Instagram account, this will be our official official Instagram account with the ID VCT Puttur official. Here also, all the posters will be we are going to get in time to time. Everything will be posted here. Um, what all the events are going to happen, everything will be posted in the official website also. This is our Instagram account. If you are using with the Instagram, just follow the official pages, and anything have to be mentioned, you can tag our official page also, if the topic is relevant to our institution level, so that they will also get to know. You can also contact the college with the social media accounts also. Okay, then it is the Twitter account of our institution. It is the official Twitter account. Here also the all the updates are going to be posted here also. Everything will be posted. Every bit of information will be get through social media also. I know you are all familiar with the you are all having with many social media accounts, so that you are also going to get the many details of our institution with the social media accounts also. Hope you are all using with the different kinds of social media account, right? Like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and all, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then okay, okay. Then it will be helpful for you, so that you can follow our college official accounts, so that you will get to know the updates in a time to time manner. Okay, and also you can take the posts, so that you can also post it in your personal accounts, or you can post it in your status, etc., so that the topics will be or the events will be delivered to many of them. Okay, then it is the YouTube accounts. The first one is the official YouTube account of our college. Then the second picture is the there's one channel is created for first years. Here the some of the recordings are posted here, and for the branch wise there will be some of the accounts are created, like VCT mechanical, VCT C and EC, CS, so that different accounts are made to categorize the events in such a way that it will be in department wise. So for our VCT Connect also, there is one separate YouTube channel. It is created recently. So all the sessions we are come across with these days, everything will be posted there. Uh, some of the talks, what are the internships. Yesterday you had the session on internships. Then the beginning you had the web designing and sports activities. All these things recordings are posted in the VCT Connect 2021 channel also. Just go through the all the our channels, If some topics are relevant, just share that things, and also uh, make subscribe and just follow the events or the recordings or sessions, so that you will be came to know with the some of the things what will happen likewise. Is it okay, right? Like here I am included with the screenshots of mobile phones. Same thing will be there in the uh, you can access in through your personal PC also. Okay. Is it clear with the social media account, right? If you have any doubts in the some of the accounts, okay,
Yes.
you are clear with the college IDs and all, right? Okay. Let's move
Uh,
on to the
just a
one more
minute,
topic.
Karthik, just a minute.
Okay, ma'am.
Students, you can get these videos in VCT Connect as Karthik just told. Have you seen that VCT Connect there? That day we were not able to
Yes.
provide you with the links.
Yes.
Have you gone through? Now you get it
Yes,
on
ma'am.
screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Only that I wanted to clear. Yes, Karthik, you can
Oh,
continue.
okay, okay. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, just follow the instructions. Okay. Then we are going to the next slide. It's Onam celebration in this year. We had one a beautiful team, so that we are came up with a beautiful events of the Onam celebration and one wonderful Pokalam also. So every time there will be a teamwork will be matters for the successful of any events. Okay, so you have to be take in charge of such a team, so that the event will be going to be get successful. So the Onam celebration also same thing happened. Here I posted one time lapse video, so that you get to know how the Pukalam is created, what we done, etc. Things. Okay, sorry. Here we are going to come up with the design of the. Hope you are enjoyed with the video, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. If you see here means the
Yes.
first we have designed the Pukalam with the in such a manner that so that the Pukalam ended with a wonderful thing. The main in charge is taken by Varun, who came across with the web designing topic. Um, from his instruction, we are going to take up with this wonderful Pukalam also. He's like our leading teammate, okay. And also everyone here worked a lot to make the event for the success. If you see in the next slide, it is our this year's Pukalam. Then, if you see in the next slide, it is the inauguration event of the Onam 2021. The principal sir is going to inaugurate our Onam celebration, so that we are also given a momentum as a token of love in the occasion of Onam celebration. So here also the teamwork taken place for the a wonderful success of the celebration. And also one more video I have posted here. It will be the initial stage of the department wise, and department wise we have visited some of the uh, visited faculties, and we celebrated our Onam festival in the college level. This is our team who came across with a wonderful Pukalam and wonderful Onam celebration. This is the Tiruvadira Kali event which is happened in the this time. Just I'll show the video. Okay. This is the Tiruvadira Kali event which happened in the Onam celebration, in the occasion of Onam celebration. All the all the year students joined with us for the successful of the Onam celebration this year. And also I included with the 2019 Onam Pookalam also, photography of Onam Pookalam. It was done with our seniors. In the 2021, because of the pandemic, we have to be stayed in home, so that there is no celebration in the college level about Onam and all. So it is the picture of 2019 Onam celebration. Okay, ma'am, can I take 5 minutes to explain about AICT activity report?
Okay, you can continue. See that you finish by 5 minutes,
Thank you.
okay, Karthik? Okay.
Okay, yes, ma'am, sure. Just I will show here. This is the AICT activity report. Okay. Here, if you don't know what's the AICT report activity, it is one activity which is given by the AICT. It should be compulsory to do. Just I will show how it is compulsory. Okay. If I go through with the scheme wise paper schedule, here they have mentioned that AICT activity in case to pay in case the student failed to prescribe the activity report and all, the grade card will not be given to them. So likewise, it's an important thing to do the activity, AICT activity and all. Here the topics are like you are going to be taken with the wonderful topic. Okay, like if you see the topic and all, helping local schools and getting make them to knowledgeable things, like you are visiting some of the schools and taking up some of the sessions, so that they are going to be learn with the upcoming topics. And also promotion of appropriate technologies. Actually our team has taken with three different topics. One was promotion of appropriate technology, then waste, waste management, then facilitating 100% digitalized money transaction. So I will show one report so that it will be easy to remember. It will be the last presentation. Okay. I will show my own report. This will be the activity report. Okay. There should be some standard format to do the report and all. This will be the first page. Then same thing, table of content, acknowledgement, certificate, everything should be there for everyone's report. Then you are going to be uh, enclosing your what are the topics, contents and all. Likewise, this will be the report wise. Here we are made one templates so that giving information about digital transaction and all were taken up with the several events in some of the schools and all. They are given with the appreciation letter. Uh, in the panchayat level, they are also provided with some of the appreciation letters and all. So and also we are taken a session with NCC cadets also. So these things you are going to learn from outside knowledge. You are going to learn many things from these events and all. Here the we are collecting some information in the house level. We are taking sessions with students, and also these activities will make us uh, to get good leadership knowledge, and also will be make us a good teamwork also. These kinds of activity will promote us to make a good person in every fields. Okay, in the teaching, taking some knowledges from the outside and all. These things will happen. Uh, Sorry, I have taken some of the extra time so that I will not visited some of the portals in the Google itself. So please go through the things in the all the links in the portals so that if you find some any difficulties to access, for accessing you have to be given with the USN so that you will be easy to enter into the portals and all. So before I concluding the session, if you are having any questions, please let me know. Is there any questions? Hello. Am I audible?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Is there any questions regarding that?
No.
Okay.
No.
If you are having some difficulties regarding with the internships, sorry, and the industrial visit and some of the mini project, you can directly contact. Okay. This will be my Instagram ID and WhatsApp number. If you are willing to do the mail through here, I provided with the mail ID also. So this will so you can get to know if you have any clarity for the some of the topics you supposed to ask personally.